Welcome guys, today we're going to program this Carel Ir33 into air conditioning setting. Yes, you hear it right, air conditioning setting. This control is not only for refrigeration, but we're going to program it for air conditioning as Mr. Tiraputi Rao requested it 8 days ago. And here is our title guys, Carel Ir33 setting to air conditioning, and the set point should be 18 to 22 degrees Celsius is less than 22 to 26 degrees Celsius. So it's up to you if you're going to change the set point to 18 or to 22 degrees Celsius. For economical, use this. For better cooling, use this 18 to 22. Okay, so our set point should be either of the 18 or the 22 degrees Celsius. Then the control delta, which is the RD, is the differential, and it has a differential just minus the 26 to 22 and 22 to 18, and that will be the RD. Now let's proceed to the DI, the interval between the frost. So if we were not going to change this one, it keeps on defrosting, and in air conditioning we don't need this DI. So stay tuned, we're going to change the setting stored here. And we need also the fan management. Okay, the fan management, if you're not going to change the fan management, there are times that the setting here, for example the compressor, is off together with the load for the evaporator fan. So we need the fan to be continuous on, because this is air conditioning, it's not refrigeration. So we need also the fan stop temperature. We need to program the fan stop temperature, otherwise the fan will not activate at a certain temperature. So together with the off fan with compressor, this is the F2. This is all about the fan management, defrost, and the compressor. So let's power this on. Okay, we're going to power this on. We're going to make a simple wiring diagram. I already wired this. So we need a 12 volts transformer here, because this is a 12 volts input. And let's proceed guys. I already wired the two sensor here and the 12 volt power supply. So this yellow here, this yellow here is our defrost. We don't need the defrost. This purple here is our fan, evaporator fan, and this orange here is our compressor line. So we're going to wire this and this. It's my evaporator fan guys. I'm going to take the line and insert here. And here's my compressor. Okay, I'm sorry for the load for the compressor is for ref. I don't have a compressor for air conditioning. And take note, for the fan, just select, for example, you want the number 2 or number 3 speed, because you cannot select 1, 2, 3 at the same time. It's just work one speed. So I'm just taking the neutral and I'm going to wire the neutral here. Okay guys, let's power this on. There is it. Compressor fan, vapor fan is activated. So I'm going to disengage first, guys, because a little bit noisy. Maybe some of my viewers will going to complain again. So we'll just disengage first. Okay, I just disengage first, guys. To change the set point, I'm going to press the set button here, and I'm going to change that to 18. Okay, cannot set. We're going to enter the programming mode, and we're going to change the R2. Okay, guys, there is a password, and the password is 11 for Carel. Now let's locate for the R2. Okay, R2 set. We're going to change the R2 into from 4 to 26. Okay, because 26 is our highest set point. Then let's proceed to RD set. So 22 minus 18 is 4. Okay, this is the cutoff of the compressor. Upon reaching the 22 degrees Celsius, it will stop. And RD set point. Okay, we can now change the set point. Going to change that to positive 18. There, set. And let's proceed to D1. D1 set. The 6 hours interval, we're going to change that to, just set it to the higher. So let's put it 30 hours. Then set. I set the to 30 hours, and my control delta into 4, and I set the set point to 18 degrees. And F, fan management, press 0, ideal 0. Okay, just set it to 0. F1 set. We're going to set that to 30 degrees Celsius. Do not set it to 25 as ideal for refrigeration. Let's set it to 30 degrees Celsius, because the room sensor will detect that. And let's proceed to F2. The F2 is off, fan with compressor. Then press set. We're going to change 0, so we can use the fan, evaporator fan, continuously. Then set here 0, fan management 0. And it's done. To memorize, press the program, and I'm going to reset it. I'm going to install back the okay, it's activated now. So I just set it to the set point is 18. Now I'm going to put this sensor inside my refrigerator and temperature will drop, and let's see if the compressor will stop at 18 and the fan should be keep on running. Okay, cut off and the fan is still running. This is perfect for air conditioning now, and let's try to activate the defrost. But don't worry, we set that to 30 hours. Okay, this is degrees Celsius, so degrees Celsius, and this is degrees Celsius. Fan management, just set it to 0. Just set it to 0, F2, and it's done. Don't worry, it will not defrost. Okay, I'm going to remove this again, and the temperature will rise again. Let's wait for the compressor to start again. Okay guys, if you want the 22 to 26 degrees Celsius, just set the set point into 22 and disregards the RD because it's same. This is 4 degrees. 26 minus 22 is 4 degrees Celsius. 22 minus 18 is 4 degrees Celsius. So this is the cut in of the compressor, cut off of the compressor. Okay, dito siya mamamatay at dito siya mabubuhay muli para ma-start niya. As easy as that. And I'm going to hold this one so the temperature will rise again and the compressor will on again. Take a look. Condensing fan. There. So the cut in, cut off is depending on this sensor. Okay. And let's put it inside. And the temperature will drop to 18 or set point. The compressor will shut off again. This is our bulb for the evaporator fan. Shut down. If you're new to my channel, please support me guys by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.